had to bring my baby in the video, right? She hates being on her back. It's so funny. Guys, I really hope that I'm in focus right now because I can't tell. Like, am I in focus? Okay, I think I'm in focus now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just blessed to be here today, okay? So if you're new to my channel, first of all, make sure you subscribe and turn your post notification bell on. Yeah, you only got 2 things to do, so make sure you get those 2 things done, okay? I am gonna be recapping my KRYSSTOBER. Somebody next door is like banging. It's really annoying. And my lips look so chapped. In this video, I wanted to just basically talk about my KRYSSTOBER experience and like, I guess what I did and what I intended to do, what was my result, and just kind of like overviewing everything that went on. And so y'all know for the last week of October, I was kind of struggling with uploading and stuff because I was dealing with some stuff like in my personal life, and I had to take a break. Sometimes, like, you know, you do have things that happen when you do YouTube and you feel like there's so much pressure to get a video out when you say that you're gonna get it out to everybody, and I was dealing with that. I try not to put a lot of pressure on myself because I already knew like I have bad anxiety. Once I get pressure added to that, it's just not a good outcome. So I would just basically tried to maintain a level of balance mentally, physically, and just not get too wrapped up in the time and uploading, making sure I upload today. I was more so concerned about my content. Like, I was more so concerned about putting out good content. I don't want to just put out something today because I said I was going to put it out today when it's not good content. I made sure that I communicated that with you guys as much as I could, especially on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. So the first look that I did do on Instagram was this look right here. My phone is really cracked. It was this look right here. Instead of showing you guys my phone, I'm just gonna put the picture here. So it was this look right here. This was the skull makeup tutorial, and girl, this is like when I had kicked off my Sephora gift card. Shout out to Martika who won my giveaway. You know who you are, girl. This was like probably my favorite look of the month, and it was the first look I did. So, and I think this is a lot of other people's favorites too. So this look right here was the mummy. Why do I look so out of focus? So this look right here was the monochromatic mummy. This look was really inspired by obviously a mummy, but I just wanted to mix the two together. Like, to be honest, when I had came up with the name of the monochromatic mummy, I had no idea how I wanted it to look. I was just like, I'm gonna just go and roll with the punches with the name. So whatever it is that came to my mind while I was doing the look, I would do it. And this was my first time doing this look, and it's crazy because for my Halloween skull look, that was my first time ever doing any Halloween anything, girl. Like, that was my first time ever doing FX makeup, or Halloween makeup, or whatever you want to call it. That was literally my first time ever sitting down in front of the camera, actually sitting down doing that type of makeup ever in my life, and it came out so good. That was my first try, and it came out good, so I was happy, girl. I was so happy. After the mummy, I ended up doing a scorpion to represent all my beautiful Scorpios out there. I turned myself into a scorpion, and I wanted to do this look because, for one, my goal was to my goal was to release this look like on October 23rd, which is the start of Scorpio season. Shout out to my Scorpio. But shout out to my Scorpios. Y'all already know what it is. That was like one of my favorites. And this is like the caption that I had wrote too. I love this caption. I came up with this caption from a collective, so from different quotes that I knew about the Scorpion woman. And this is what I came up with. So, meet the Scorpio woman. She is the most explosive sign in the zodiac. Her intensity and passion for what and who she loves is unmatched. Fierce. Fierce. Both emotionally and spiritually, full of finesse and mystery. She is just the right level of challenge with just the right amount of reward. Fire and ice. Humble but strong. She wears strength and darkness equally well. Half goddess, half hell. A beautiful, dark, twisted fantasy, and that's just the half of me. Girl. So, honey, I was like, yes. Yes, 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 yes. So, after that, this was my completely last Halloween look. I know. This was Maleficent. I loved my Maleficent look. I don't think that my delivery of it was the smartest. Like, I have released a photo or video photo of it, and I feel like I should have never did that. I should have just like put it out at once. So but besides that, Maleficent was a little struggle for me because I tried doing it 2 times prior to me doing the official one that I ended up using, and I didn't like it. I really didn't like it. So I ended up doing it again, and finally was like, okay, I could work with this. But out of all the looks, I would definitely say that the skull makeup look was my favorite one. Let me know which one was your favorite one that I did for Halloween down below. I really didn't kill Halloween the way I really wanted to, girl. Like, life got in the way, and when you have a 9-to-5 job and you have like life to deal with, anything can happen at any moment, anytime. Sometimes you just gotta stop and listen to the signs and like just take a step back and, you know, just like regroup yourself and recharge yourself so that, you know, you don't end up like collapsing mentally, physically, whatever. Like, because sometimes that stress that you have in the back of your mind could really get to you, and you just end up like, F it, I'm not doing nothing, like, F it, you know. So I was struggling with that all month. My car got messed up. I had to kick out so much money for that, and like, it was a mess. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. But I really enjoyed KRYSSTOBER. KRYSSTOBER is really fun. I'm definitely doing it next year. And if you guys weren't following me on Instagram, you guys probably wouldn't know that I am, well, if you watched my wig tutorial on how to apply this wig that's on my head right now, if you did watch that, then you probably would have seen that I had a wig giveaway to give away this baby right here. Not the one on my head, I have a whole nother one, but it's the same wig, and I partnered with iSEE hair to give you guys this wig. It's a kinky curly wig. I believe it's 22 inches, and I got so many people that entered. Over like 100 people entered. So girl, we about to tell you the winner. Okay, I'm gonna put a timer on back and forth, and then wherever my finger lands on is who's winning it. That's it, period. This is how we picking it, because I don't know what else to do. So okay, 30-second timer. And then now I'm gonna do it again for my page, because look, it's like way more comments on here now. Yeah. Girl, I'm scared. I don't even want to look. This is a stupid way to pick a giveaway though, winner. Okay, let me see what she up to. Okay. So I got lead publicist of KGT Communication. She's a YouTuber. She was Miss Black Southeast International Ambassador for 2020. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay, so the winner of the giveaway, the winner of this giveaway is Kiara G. Turner. Thank you, girl, for entering my giveaway. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for entering the giveaway. You got the wig, girl. You're the winner. And I'm so happy because you seem like you really on your stuff. Like, you really on your shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm looking at your Instagram and I'm like, you could tell you know, she's really on her. You know what I'm saying? So you're the winner. Thank you again for entering. I will be DMing you and letting you know, well, getting your information and everything so that I could send it to you. And I appreciate everybody for entering to win this wig. I know I did extend the giveaway for a couple of days, and I know you guys, some of y'all was trying to cheat, talking about some just say that I want it. Just say that I'm like, no, you can't do that to people. That's not nice. But yeah, so she's the winner, Kiara Turner. And thank you guys for watching my video. I will be uploading just as consistent as I was in October, but definitely, you know, I'm trying to focus on quality content. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Thank you guys again for entering my giveaway, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Congrats, Kiara girl. Alright, bye.